Few appliances make weeknight cooking easier than a slow cooker. Toss in your ingredients, set the heat, and come back to tender meats, rich stews, and hands-off meals that taste like you hovered all day. But not every model heats evenly or holds temperature well. In this video to the best slow cookers, you'll find top picks for every household and budget. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker. If you want an easy, reliable way to cook family-sized meals with minimal hands-on time, the Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker is built for simple, set-it-and-forget-it cooking. The 7-quart capacity comfortably serves 9+ people or fits a 7-pound roast, so it works well for big dinners meal prep or when you want leftovers ready for the week. You get straightforward cooking control with high and low settings, plus a warm function to keep food at a serving-ready temperature once it's done. That flexibility helps when dinner timing isn't perfect. Your meal can stay hot and ready without overcooking while everyone gets to the table. Because it's manual and simple to operate, it fits naturally into a busy day. You can start your recipe in the morning and let it cook while you work, run errands, or handle family routines, then come back to a meal that's ready without constant checking or stirring. Cleanup stays manageable too. One-pot cooking means fewer dishes, and both the lid and removable stoneware are dishwasher safe. The stoneware insert is also versatile. You can use it in the microwave or in the oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is handy when you want to reheat, finish, or keep things warm in different ways. With a stainless steel exterior, black accents, and sturdy plastic handles, it looks clean on the counter and is easy to move when it's time to serve. At number 4, BLACK+DECKER 7-quart slow cooker. If you want a slow cooker that's practical for family meals but also adds a fun, useful twist to your kitchen routine, the BLACK+DECKER 7-quart slow cooker brings both. Its standout feature is the chalkboard exterior, so you can label what's cooking, note ingredients for allergies, or write serving instructions for guests. It's also a simple way to get kids involved, letting them help own dinner by adding notes or drawings on the front. 2 sticks of chalk are included, and you can use standard chalk sticks as well. You'll appreciate the small design details that make cooking less messy. A built-in lid holder props the lid on either side handle, keeping your countertop cleaner and freeing up your hands when you need to stir, taste, or serve. That's especially helpful during busy meal prep when every bit of counter space matters. For everyday cooking, you get 3 heat settings: low, high, and warm, so you can slow cook all day, speed things up when needed, and then keep food ready for serving without overcooking. The removable 7-quart stoneware crock holds heat well and makes cleanup easier, whether you're making chili, stew, pulled chicken, or a big batch of soup for leftovers. With its family-size capacity and easy-to-use controls, this cooker supports the kind of meals that keep everyone fed and keeps your kitchen a little more organized while you're at it. Number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker. If you cook for a crowd and want a slow cooker that can handle big batches without stress, the Hamilton Beach 10-quart slow cooker is built for gatherings and family-sized meals. With a 10-quart capacity, you can make enough food for 12 or more people, and it's sized to fit a 10-pound turkey or a 12-pound roast. Great when you're prepping for holidays, game days, or potlucks. One of the most useful features is how easy it is to transport. The lid clips tightly to the handles to help reduce spills, so you can move hot food from your kitchen to the car or from the counter to the table with less worry about messy leaks. If you've ever arrived at a gathering with sauce in the bag instead of in the cooker, you'll appreciate that extra security. Daily use stays simple too. The controls are straightforward. Just turn the dial and let it cook, so you don't have to hover over the pot or constantly check timing. That set it and get on with your day convenience is exactly why slow cookers earn a permanent spot in busy kitchens. To keep meals ready when everyone's schedule isn't perfectly aligned, you get 3 heat settings: low, medium, and high, and warm. You can cook on low or high, then switch to warm after it's done, so food stays at a serving-ready temperature until it's time to eat. At number 2, Ninja 12-in-1 PossibleCooker plus 8.5 Quart Slow Cooker. If you want one big, do-it-all cooker that can take pressure off your stovetop and keep you organized during busy weeks or gatherings, the Ninja 12-in-1 PossibleCooker PLUS gives you an 8.5 quart capacity with multi-purpose cooking in a single pot. It's designed to replace a long list of common tools like a slow cooker, sauté pan, stock pot, Dutch oven, roasting pan, and more, so you can cook more while using less counter space. You can sear and sauté directly in the cooking pot using the bottom heating elements, which means you don't have to brown meat on the stove and then transfer it. That small change saves time, reduces dishes, and helps you build deeper flavor in the same pot you'll finish the meal in. When you want a better finish, the removable pot is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can move from braising to crisping or browning the top without switching cookware. It's also built for feeding a crowd. The 8.5 quart size is listed as enough for large batches like chili for up to 20 people, about 9 pounds of spaghetti and meatballs, or pulled pork for 30 sliders. To speed things up, triple fusion heat technology combines bottom, side, and steam heat to cook faster than a conventional oven. You also get 6 core cooking functions: slow cook, sear sauté, keep warm, sous vide, brace, and proof, plus a handy multifunctional utensil that stores right on the lid. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Cuisinart 3-in-1 Cook Central 6-quart Slow Cooker. If you want weeknight meals to feel easier without giving up homemade flavor, the Cuisinart 3-in-1 Cook Central 6-quart Slow Cooker is designed to keep cooking simple and flexible. With one-touch controls, you can switch modes when a recipe calls for combination cooking, so you're not stuck using separate appliances or transferring food mid-process. That means less mess, fewer dishes, and a smoother path from prep to serving, especially when you're juggling work, family, or a busy schedule. You'll also appreciate how straightforward it is to operate. The extra-large blue backlit LCD display makes it easy to read your time and temperature settings at a glance, even in a dim kitchen. When you're following a recipe or timing dinner to be ready right when you get home, that clarity helps you cook with more confidence and less second-guessing. For serving a group, the 6-quart capacity gives you enough room for family-sized batches. Think soups, chili, pulled chicken, stews, or a big pot of pasta sauce you can portion for leftovers. The removable non-stick aluminum cooking pot lifts out for easier cleanup, so you're not scrubbing around a bulky base after a long day. The glass lid with a cool touch handle is a small detail that makes a big difference. You can keep an eye on your food without constantly lifting the lid, and you can handle it comfortably when it's time to stir, serve, or check doneness. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which slow cooker you're considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.